Patience and perseverance. This is what defines the era we encounter now. Vigilance and precaution are the new normal, as the dawn is still awaited. Optimized Electrotech presents RelEye, an artificial intelligence-enabled smart access control system. A non-contact thermometry device that can detect high temperatures at 6 feet of distance. RelEye has multiple modes for better understanding. Live color feed, thermal output, and a fusion image output as well. RelEye also has facial recognition, which makes it the perfect access control system. Thanks to RelEye, we are prepared for the future.